Hustle Dream Production in the building. This is my brother in the building. Hustle Dream Production in the building. Come on now, look at the high note. Hustle Dream Production in the bruh, you need to make that. And credit goes out to my brother because he used to really be having me up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Hey Jared, can you come in? Can you sing this hook on my intro? Waking me up. I'm on the top bunk bed. He talking about Jeezy, Jared, can you get up and do this intro for me? I'm sitting here open my eyes up. Huh? What time is it? What time is it, man? We got school in the morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You still over here making beats? You was making songs when I went to sleep. Okay? I'm done. I'm tired. Come on, man. I just need this beat, man. I gotta make it. Come on, I'm trying to show everybody at school. All right, man. Man, come on, man. What am I gonna get for this? Sitting here singing in a boombox. We on the floor. We on the floor with 2 boombox. He could have had the decency to grab some chairs and put them on some chairs, but no. We on the floor like this. Jennifer, you know I want you. I know you feel special the way that I do. And I wanna know is, cause all I wanna know is if you feeling me. I'm sitting here on the floor. We singing songs for his girlfriend. I'm all on the floor. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. I'm telling you, man, we was doing that stuff back when the internet wasn't even an internet. We had 2 boom boxes, tape cassettes. He had me on the floor singing hooks. I'm telling you, that's why I'm telling you, no lie. 360 Jeezy emerged because of it.
360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to take my 1 guard open using my Andis cordless masters, and I'm going to go up, all the way up, basically leaving about a 1/4 inch of space, just so, you know, I can add some gradiency. I don't want to sit here and cut it all at a 1.5. I kind of want to, you know, add some type of blend to it. So I'm just going to go up and leave some room at the top. Now with the 2 guard closed, I'm gonna take off the rest of the hair. I'm gonna put my comb into the top hairs just to get the hairs out of the way. You don't want to sit there and, you know, not push the hair down. You're gonna take out some of those hairs up top. So make sure that you push the hair down with the comb, and you can go straight up because the hair is so matted on the head once you lay it down with the comb that, you know, you don't have to worry about cutting any of those hairs on top. So just make sure you're careful with you know, doing this.
Now creating my bald line using my Babelous red trimmers. I'm gonna create this bald line in a rainbow-like shape. I want to add some uniqueness to this this taper, so I'm not just gonna keep doing the same thing and just make it a straight line. I want to add curvature. That way I could keep the vertical bars dark and the line around his ears. So I want to make sure that my taper is clean as possible, so I'm going to grab my Babelous Gold shavers and make the bottom half razor bald. I'm not going to go all the way up to the line because I don't want to make it difficult for me to take out that bottom line when it's time to take it out. Now with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch. I'm going to keep that same rainbow-like shape all the way through and make sure I brush as I go. Now with the lever halfway closed or halfway open, regardless, put the lever in the middle. And basically what I'm doing is I'm softening up that bottom line, getting it ready to take out with the next step. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now I'm using my corners as much as possible, so make sure you kind of use your corners and not use your full blade, because what you don't want to do is take off too much on, you know, one corner of that blade than you need to. Now with the zero guard closed and the flick out motion, flick out that middle line. I'm still using my corners. It's gonna be a lot easier to blend into that one on top. It should all just fall in place.
HustleDreamProduction.
So detailing is what separates you and just bumps it up a notch as far as, you know, being a better barber. What I like to do is I like to give my eyes a rest, look at something else for a few seconds, or look in the mirror and just look at those bulk areas and start debulking. Now, I like to use my corners and go in and debulk, especially when it comes to lower tight blends like this one is. Just kind of use your corners all the way through. So as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps, so I'm just going to speed this side up. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like bang. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.